Do you all remember this sneaker here? Yes, this is the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, a shoe that dropped last year. And what was the main problem with this sneaker? Flash forward to 2024, and now we have this sneaker here, the Jordan 3 Black Cement, the iteration for 2024. Sneaker that is releasing this coming Saturday. But what is the issue with this shoe? Now look guys, I'm going to tell you right now, there are a bunch of you out there who went ahead and passed on the White Cement 3s once you saw the elephant print problems. And now we're hearing basically the same thing when it comes to the Black Cement 3s. But here's one little thing you guys aren't thinking about. The revisionist history some of you all have. And I'm going to tell you now, look at the prices on these. These here, I think are pretty much going to do the same thing. What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing of one of the most anticipated sneakers to drop this year. And man, let me tell you something, these are actually a lot better than a lot of people are letting on. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know we have 7 slots left here for the Tekken Foamposite raffle. If you guys are interested in getting a spot, you can get 2 spots, $10 a spot, and I will leave my Cash App or Zelle there, and I will make sure that you guys get added to the list that I've been keeping on IG for everyone that's entered. And as soon as we have all the spots filled, total of 30, I will be going live and doing the raffle elimination style. So if you're interested, go ahead, shoot me the 10 bucks or 20 bucks if you want 2 slots of the 7 that are left, guys, and good luck to those of you who have already entered. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here of the shoe. And you see this all black box with the black elephant print we have on here. Label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Fire Red Cement Gray. This is a size 11.5 that I got off the shock drop, and there's been a lot of controversy coming from people concerning the shock drop pairs. And here under the lid, just a solid red. And then we do have the elephant print paper here as well, but these are double wrapped. Not individually wrapped, but it's double wrapped with another set of paper in here as well. Let me go ahead and pull the right shoe out, and here we go, the Jordan 3 Black Cements. And I have to say, guys, this is actually a very, very nice pair. I have no complaints on the way this shoe came out. Now, a lot of people are talking about how that elephant print is very light, and you know what? I'm gonna tell you guys something. It's not like the OG. It's not. And I will put a picture here of the different iterations of the Jordan 3 Black Cements that have released all the way from back in 1988. Shout out to Z Sneakerhead for providing us that graphic and showing what the shoes looks like. Now, they tried to make these obviously as close to the 88s as possible, and I believe they've achieved that when it comes to the shape of the shoe. Obviously, you got that Nike Air there on the back. You got that red Jumpman on the gray tongue there. You know what I mean? Black leather, and the leather is actually pretty nice. Now, I will be doing another video on these, comparing them to the other Jordan 3s that have released, including the 2018 pair that everybody obviously covets out there. You know, there's these Jordan 3 aficionados. I do have a 2018 pair, and I love it. But I have to say this, the shape on the 2024 pair, yeah, the shape has these hands down is the best in my opinion. Let me go ahead and pull out the left shoe here, and it does have the orange hang tag, no chain. It's, you know, the plastic clip that it has on there, but man, the way these came out are absolutely nice. I love the richness of the leather, and me personally, like I said, I'm not mad at the lightness of the elephant print. I think they actually did a really nice job here with the shoe. You know, you got that gray sock liner, red insole foot pad with Nike Air there written on the bottom. Man, just listen. Do not let your favorite YouTubers psych you out from going ahead and picking up a pair. If you don't have a 2018 pair, I'm telling you guys, this is not necessarily the next best thing. I would say these have their own characteristics of them that put them on par with that 2018 pair. But like I said, I will be shooting you guys that comparison video and letting you know why. Having these in hand definitely a nice shoe. For you guys out there, definitely think about picking these up. Retail on them is $220, and if you can get them in the store, I would definitely suggest going there as early as possible, so that way you can go ahead and have a look at your pair and QC them yourself before you go ahead and walk on out. But man, definitely a nice shoe. For those of you guys who hit on the shock drop, congratulations to you. Let me know down in the comments if you did, or if you had to put in for some raffles, or if you were able to secure your pair through JD Sport Finish Line in-store exclusive access that went out today, guys. Now tomorrow we should be seeing the ship to me option, so if you missed out on exclusive access today, you'll have an opportunity tomorrow. But like I said, I do have a few more videos I'm going to be putting out concerning this shoe. Make sure you guys tap in, and like I said, tap into the raffle if you are interested in it. And guys, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.